In this episode, we're tearing down a Kove 500 engine. This engine ran completely out of oil and was ridden for another 10 kilometers. Let's take a look and see what it looks like after running 10 kilometers without oil. Now, this engine is the Loncin K500 engine. As most of you probably already know, looking at Kove's twin-cylinder engines, they are all sourced from other brands. The Kove 321 uses a Loncin engine. The Kove 400 uses Zhongshan's TC whatever engine. It's actually quite clean inside here. Let's look at the owner's description. The oil pan cracked from an impact, and then it was ridden for 10 kilometers with no oil. However, the Kove 450 Inline-Four uses their own engine. Man, that one really makes my mouth water. I am dying to tear one apart. My hands are practically itching with anticipation. Let's look at this cam cap. It's already scored, but it's not as bad as I imagined. Let's check this other cap. Nothing wrong with it at all. It's still pretty shiny. Wipes right off with a finger. Take a look. Look at this camshaft. The camshaft has officially kicked the bucket. The cap on this side isn't too badly damaged either. Look at this cylinder head. This cylinder head is basically toast. This will be hard to repair. It can only be replaced pulling off the cylinder head. Look at the valves, they actually look pretty good. The valves are totally fine, and the combustion looks decent too. Why am I posting a Kove engine video today? Well, I had a dream last night. I dreamed of a chubby little guy wearing glasses. He said he had a Kove 450 engine on hand that I could tear down. I got so excited, grabbed my wrench, and headed right over. Then we came across a river. He leaped right over. But when I jumped, I ended up landing right back in bed. Jokes aside, I bet you guys really want to see a teardown of the Kove 450 Inline-Four engine too. Let's look at this oil pan. Man, this owner was really careless. The oil pan was completely cracked open, and he just kept riding. No wonder this engine suffered like this. Opening up the crankcase. Let's look at the crankshaft bearings. These are seriously scored, blacker than charcoal. One of the bearing shells is completely seized inside. Let's look at the crankshaft. 3 journals are scored too. The wear extends all the way to here. If you enjoy this, please drop a like. Next, let's look at the connecting rod bearings and see how badly scored they are. Oh, quite a surprise. Look at this journal, nothing wrong with it at all. It's perfectly smooth and shiny. Let's look at the other one. The bearing shell is completely stuck to it. I had to pry at it for a while just to get it off. This journal is seriously scored. It took a massive beating, no doubt about it. Just look at this oil. For an engine, running without oil means it won't get anywhere. The crankshaft has 5 journals in total, and 3 of them are scored. These are the bearing shells on this half of the crankcase. Let's look further down and see how the pistons are doing. From the look of it, the piston is actually okay. It's still reusable. This doesn't count as scoring. Let's check the other piston. This one is usable and fine too. These pistons are surprisingly tough. Let's check the cylinder wall. After checking the cylinder wall, that's it for this video. Thank you all for watching. I'll go back and dream again tonight. In my dream, I'll leap over that river. Find that chubby little guy again. And see if he'll let me tear down that engine.